Okay, so now we'll do a video under power here. We'll fire it up, you can listen to it, see how she runs, and then here as well, this is the pulley I replaced. The original pulley, the hole had wallowed out, and so when it spun, the pulley wobbled in and out quite a bit. This is the same exact dimensions and specs, brand new, and then here you can see the new belt as well. This is a 4L 590, which is 59 inches. The manual states 60 inches, but with the new pulleys and the motor, 59 inches worked better. Okay, so we'll turn it on here and you can have a listen. Motor sounds smooth. It's pretty straight. Alright, I'll let her spin down here and then I'll do some test cuts for you.